everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So finally, I'm going to share with you my work from home setup. So before, hindi masyadong maganda yung work from home setup ko. But now, medyo maganda na. Like, I've purchased some items to make it more aesthetic, make it more ergonomic, so make it more sort of better for me to work with. So yeah, I'm going to give you a tour on the stuff, on how it looks like currently, and that's it. So without further ado, let's head on to my work from home station. Okay guys, so here is my work from home setup. So inayos ko yung desk ko, especially for this video, but I'm going to give you a tour one by one. So this is what it looks like. First, nasa gilid siya ng room ko. Nasa taas yung TV and it's beside my bed. So, maliit lang yung room ko. Ideally, hindi siya katabi ng bed para hindi ako ma-distract. But, yeah, yun lang yung meron ako for now. But, this is what it looks like now. So, I'm going to stand up so you can see. So, ganyan siya. And I have my, what's this? My desk chair. So this is what it looks like as a whole, and I'm going to zoom in on each of the items. Okay, so let's start with my desk chair. So this actually is from the office. So yung office namin, they offered this to us if we want to bring home our office chairs since we'll be working from home. So I've been working from home for almost a year? Ay, no. More than a year pala. Almost 2 years actually. And then, this is not really the color of our office chair. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng parang cloth that I bought from Lazada. So, it's actually a cover specifically for desk chairs. And then, this one, I also bought yung cushion lang for the desk. For the chair. So, ito lang, para lang soft yung inuupuan ko. And then, tinatay mo siya sa chair. Just so it's in place. So, I'll be linking all the items naman sa below. So, I'll be linking all my items naman. But yeah, this is what it looks like now. So, I'm so happy that my office gave me an office chair para I don't need to buy one. And then, this one lang is a neck pillow, gift from my boyfriend. Oops, may Shopee there. But yeah, this one is just a neck pillow lang. Para, you know, just to keep me company pag super daming ginagawa sa work. Okay, and then let's move on to my actual desk. So I'll zoom in a bit so you can see it better. Okay, so this is what my desk looks like up close. So you see here, very minimal lang yung trinay kong gawin dito para lang I can concentrate better. Walang masyadong gamit. And then I'll take you through one by one on the items. Okay, so let's first start with my office laptop. So this is actually a MacBook Air 2021, if I believe, or 2020 M1 chip. So I'm so happy na ito yung work laptop ko. I got the latest one. So ganito lang siya. And I actually bought a case for it from Lazada. So ganito yung itsura niya. It's in the color beige. Actually, it's not beige. It's more bone. Parang mas bone yung itsura niya. So, meron lang din siya sa ilalim. And then, yeah, that's my laptop. And I also have itong keyboard protector. Just so you know, I can take care of it. Kasi it's not mine naman. And of course, kahit naman akin siya, we should take care of our gadgets. I also have a trackpad protector, just in case mabasa or sweaty man yung fingers ko, I'm safe. So that's my laptop. And below that, you'll actually see this laptop stand. So originally, I really wanted to buy a laptop stand na aluminum, but parang namamahalan ako sa kanya kasi 1,000 plus. Ito, I think 200 plus lang. And it does the job naman. So, I'm very happy with this purchase. Tsaka bagay naman siya sa room ko na very wood white theme. So, I'm really happy with this one. And for me, I really recommend having laptop stands. Kasi mas maayos yung posture and mas eye level yung laptop mo. There, so that is my laptop stand. And then you see here that I also have a mechanical keyboard. So I'm really happy with this purchase. So I'll zoom in a bit further. So this is what it looks like. This is the RK68 mechanical keyboard in blue switch. So yan. So, I really bought a mechanical keyboard just so mas productive ako. Kasi mas masarap mag-type. And then, you'll see here, wait, I'll move it to here. Marami siyang modes. Like, iba-iba yung kulay. There. Hindi mo siya makikita now, but at evening, mas pretty siya. And then, ganito siya yung sound niya. See, it's so clicky. Okay, so that's my keyboard. And I also have a mouse. Pero yung mouse ko, it's very simple. RGB na mouse. Actually, ito 100 pesos lang ata. So, bumili lang ako para lang mag-match with this mechanical keyboard. But yeah, it's very simple. Okay, and then let's head on to the right side of my desk. So, the first thing you'll see is my JBL speakers. So, I actually gifted this to Jide before, pero naiwan niya. So, nilagay ko na lang here. Ginagamit ko lang to pag gusto ko na mas malakas na audio, but I rarely use it kasi okay naman yung audio ng laptop ko. And then, you also see my desk lamp. So, I bought a white desk lamp, originally black to, but I want to buy a white one para mas clean yung itsura niya. I'll turn it on for you para you can see. There. So, ganyan yung itsura niya when lit. So, this is just 300, I believe, and super laki niya. I didn't expect it to be that big. And then, you'll also spot my clean canteen. So, I really want to have a water bottle beside me para lang I don't forget. Kasi diba, whenever we're at the office, lagi tayong minsan nakakalimutan natin. So, even at home, actually, nakakalimutan ko. So, I always make sure to have this full when I start the day. Okay, so here's another wide shot of what my desk looks like para you can see the lamp. So, ayan. And then, let's move on to the left part of my desk. So, like I said kanina, I really wanted to be minimal. So, I only have a few items here. So, I just have my alcohol spray. So, it's in the color gold. It's so cute. Match with my desk. Sorry, it's not focusing. And then, I also have itong pen holder. So, I bought this parang for 100 pesos lang ata. And it's wide. So, you can fit a lot of school supplies. So, I only have scissors, highlighters, pen. Ayan lang actually. I even have a whiteboard marker, but hindi ko pa nakakabit yung whiteboard ko, but it's just there. So, I really want to have one pen holder lang para I don't stock up on too many items on my desk. Ayan. So, when you move over to the one below it, you'll spot where I usually place my phone. So, this is where I usually place my phone beside me. So, yan. So, ito yung phone ko. I also have my relax. So, this is, my company during the quarantine para hindi ako masyadong stressed. Actually, whenever I'm stressed, ito lagi yung ginagamit ko. And then, you also spot my planner. So, I have, the typical Starbucks planner. Yeah, so I won't go through it na, but yep, that's my planner. There. And then I'll show you what's happening at the back of this laptop. So, it's not all pretty kasi maraming wires. So, this is how I hide it. Okay, so what you can see here is yung adapter lang niya because since nga yung laptop ko is a MacBook Air 2020, kailangan, wala siyang USB. So, I always have to have this Type-C na connector. So, this is what it looks like. So, nakakonect lang here yung keyboard ko and mouse. And when you look at the back, so I'll share with you what's on the back. Okay, so here's a snippet of my wires. So, this is how I try to cover them para I don't see them all the time. I know this is not the best way to cover your wires, so I'm still finding ways on how to cover them. But yeah, this is my way lang of hiding them. I have my Fitbit here. Naka-charge siya minsan sa laptop ko. Yeah, that's it actually at the back. But when you look naman on the front, you won't able to see naman how messy it is. Sorry, ayaw mag-focus. Let's try to pull it back. There. If you look at it from this perspective naman, it's not as untidy looking. But yeah, that's it. That's my desk. So you might spot this. my earphone. So nilalagay ko lang siya dyan. So I keep this under. So ganito lang siya. It's your typical earphones na madumi. Madumi yung earphones ko, so hindi pa ako nakabili. But I just hide it under kasi I really use it naman. And then para hindi lang siya makalat. There. Then, by the way, this is my mouse pad. So, it's in the color beige. So, as you can see here, meron lang siyang coffee stain. So, yeah. Pero magkabilaan sila. Pwede ko naman siyang palitan to this color. Yeah, so it's large. It can cover my keyboard and my mouse itself. So it's very good. It's better for me na magkaroon ng larger mouse pad versus yung maliliit. Okay, so I'm also going to share with you my work desk. So I actually bought this, if I remember correctly, SHOPEE for just 1,000 plus. So mura lang siya, super dali i-assemble, like kakabit mo lang to actually. Wala nang kailangan na tools or anything, and it's pretty sturdy naman, but feeling ko may mas gaganda pa here na quality. But for its price, na parang below 2,000, I believe. I think nga parang merong below 1,000 version nito. It's pretty good naman. So, that's my current work desk. So, very simple, very clean looking, and it matches my stuff. Okay, so I also wanted to share with you guys my current Wi-Fi setup because sa bahay namin, ako talaga yung mostly gumagamit ng Wi-Fi. Like, kailangan ko ng connection, kailangan ko ng, like, LAN. Kailangan naka-connect siya sa laptop ko because I really do video calls most of the time. So, nagpa-install ako ng Wi-Fi. Although naman, this Wi-Fi is for our whole family. But what's nice about this is meron akong sarili because meron siyang 5G. So, I don't know how to properly explain what 5G is. But it's parang a faster Wi-Fi if you're just within this certain radius of, or if your device is parang applicable to 5G. So, yeah, so I got the PLDT Home Fiber and super bilis niya. I'm only paying $1,799 a month, I think. And I'll show you yung speed test in a bit. But, yep, this is what my Wi-Fi looks like now. It's just under my desk. May phone ako, but no one calls me. I don't think kailangan ko to, but kasama siya sa package. So, it's nice to have it there. So, yeah, this is what my Wi-Fi looks like at home. This is the name of my Wi-Fi. It's Iyah's Home Cafe. So, yun lang. Since this is my personal 5G Wi-Fi, apart from what I shared to my family, I labeled that as Iyah's Home Cafe. So, I'll show you the speed test. This is the speed test ng Wi-Fi. There. So, sobrang sulit nung PLDT. So, before yung Wi-Fi ko, when I was using a different provider, parang 10 Mbps lang. So, imagine yung difference. And I was paying for the same amount or mas expensive pa ata yung other provider na yon. But look at this one. So, super bilis. And even when I upload videos, so that's my work setup, guys. So, I'm really happy with what I have so far. So, this current setup really helps me focus on work kasi I'm in my own corner, my own spot at home. And yeah, I have no plans of changing it so far. I think I have all the things I need naman to be productive at home. Sorry, ang ingay ng dogs ko. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. All the links to the products I shared with you in this video will be linked down below in the description box. So I hope you can check it out. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in my next video.